Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Tone wallet that can connect to Hamster Kombat. Alright, so to do that, first of all, make sure you have the Tone wallet or the Tone Keeper application on your Android device. So to do that, come to Google Play Store, then search for Tone Keeper and make sure you download it. As you can see, I already have it. So after downloading it, come and open it. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a wallet that can connect to Hamster Kombat. As you can see, I already have a wallet, but I'll just tap on the drop down arrow here, then come to add wallet. Alright, right now I'm going to create a new wallet. So I'll just tap on new wallet and then I'll create a passkey for my wallet. Okay, so that will be my passkey. Alright, so I need to just confirm my passkey, and that's my passkey. So after confirming my passkey, I'll start creating a new wallet that can connect to Hamster Kombat. Alright, so as you can see, just enable notification for this new wallet. It will be called wallet 3. I'll just name it. I think I'll name it Hamster Wallet. Hamster Wallet. Okay, and you can even give it a color if you want. I'll give it this one here. Okay, can you put an icon like a key, okay, or this smile emoji, and then tap on save, and boom, as you can see guys, you've created your Hamster wallet over here, and that's how simple it is. So right now, to access your Hamster Kombat, or just head over to your Telegram application, and when you head over to your Telegram application, just wait for it to load. So I'll just come and tap on this play over here. I'm literally opening up the Telegram bot of Hamster Kombat. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to connect this Hamster Kombat wallet to the Telegram bot itself or to your Telegram account. So just need to say thank you there. Alright, so now to connect, just tap on the airdrop here and tap on connect wallet. As you can see, for my case, it's already connected, but if yours isn't connected, you will tap on connect wallet and it will automatically take you to Tone Keeper wallet over here, and just have to approve and then you connect. So that's how simple it is, guys. So guys, if you found value in our video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.